Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create free new Apple ID on iPhone, iPad without any Gmail or email account, without any debit or credit card in easy steps. Firstly, go to Setting app. In Setting page, tap on Sign into your iPhone. Tap on Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Tap on Create Apple ID. Enter your first name and last name. Then tap on Birthday. Select day. Then tap on month and year. Scroll down, find your birthday month and year. Then tap on Continue. Email address is created. If you use your email address, enter your email address and password. My email address is created, so I tap Continue. Tap on Create Email Address. Enter your Apple ID password and verify password.
While creating the password, the order should be kept like this: first capital, later plus other small plus 1, 2, 3 at and, etc.
Tap on Continue. Tap on United States, scroll down to find your country and tap it. Enter your phone number, then tap on Text Message. Tap on Continue. Enter verification code sent to your phone number, then tap on Next from top right corner. Terms and condition. Scroll down and tap on Agree. Enter iPhone passcode. Choose marriage or don't marriage. Tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on Password Setting. Tap on Always Require Password. Then tap on Done. Apple ID has been successfully created. After creating a new Apple ID, some Apple users get a notification error in App Store when installing the apps. This Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store. The link of this video is in description, I button and end screen. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest update. Thanks for watching.